Hi, this is Dave.
I'm Barbara.
From Hiking with Dave and Barbara. You can catch a blog on www.hikingwithdaveandbarbara.co.uk or.com. YouTube channel Hiking with Dave and Barbara. This is day 6 of the Alta Via in Italy, in the Dolomites. After yesterday's torrential wet, we think today is going to be maybe cloudy, maybe wet, sort of dullish. But you can see behind me, you can see the mountains of the Dolomites behind us. We're going to leave Rifugio Vazzoler. We're heading off to a place called Christi. I can't quite remember it. We think it's about maybe 10 kilometres. We think it's a 4-hour day, 500 metres up, 500 metres down. Do you add anything, Barbara, to this one?
We met such lovely people at dinner time last night, really entertaining. Yeah. We've met such great people on this walk so far, really enjoying it. Yeah. Hope the weather is a bit drier today than yesterday. I think we've nearly dried out. Very kind people at this hostel here. They put everybody's boots in the boot room and got them all out again this morning for 80 people, so that was some task, but the staff are so nice.
Yeah, it's been great, and we had a room with just for 4 people, so we had 2 German ladies in with us. It's been fantastic though, hasn't it?
Yeah, brilliant.
Okay, we're going to go. This is day 6. We're still in there and we're going right now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, that's the end of day 6 of the Alta Via 1 in the Dolomites in Italy. A nice day, fortunately no rain, but it was overcast for most of the day, which is a bit of a shame. We left Rifugio Vazzoler this morning and we've arrived eventually at Rifugio Carestiato. Had to read that. It's been a good walk, but with the cloud it's been a bit I suppose a bit disappointing. We've had a good day. It took us quite a long time, ascent of probably nearly 700 meters, quite hard on the terrain. There was a piece of it which was supposed to be quite edgy and a bit sort of scary, but it wasn't really. It was quite okay. Anything to add, Barbara, on this one?
No, it wasn't at all. We did use our sticks quite a lot though.
Yeah.
But it's just rocky and lots of tree roots, and with it being damp it was like really slippery as well, so it did take us quite a long time. It took us 5.25 hours, but we did take our time. But the people got here a lot sooner than we did.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to dinner, and then tomorrow is a very long day.
Yeah, so
but some people have even longer days though.
Yeah, they have, but we're going to be up very early in the morning to be off.
Yeah.
Should we go?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a nice hostel, so we'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.